Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is coming to you a little early. Normally I post my videos on Mondays and Fridays, but this week on the 15th, the Chanel cruise show launches in the US, which is so exciting. This is like the Barbie runway show that we've all been waiting for. And I just got back from a preview of the launch a couple days before it launches. And so I wanted to show you what I got, talk about the collection. Once again, I know talking about this collection, I feel like for years, and then Barbie happened and then we were talking about it even more. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you the items that I got, what I'm so excited for, and kind of do this first unboxing of the collection. I did order a few more items that still haven't come in. Obviously the collection hasn't even launched yet, so there's that. And then there's also items that I'm going to, fingers crossed, hopefully try and order that my boutique didn't get, like those pink CC Chanel earrings that Margot Robbie was wearing that literally everybody's gonna want, so we'll see. We have a lot going on. I have the leaning tower of boxes over here. I have the world's most casual giant Chanel bag over here. Without further ado, let's get into it. This is a doozy. So thrilling. I'm wearing my, what is it, 22K tweed jacket with the Coco Neige tee that I revealed the other day. Channeling Barbie, channeling like bright colors for this launch. Okay, the first item is the first of the ready-to-wear look that I ordered primarily. It's so cute. Okay. The Camellia. Oh my gosh, can't speak. Okay, so the first item is this beautiful pink striped pullover sweater. And it has, let me see if I can, the light might kind of make this tricky to see, but there's flowers all over it and CCs, like a flower and CC motif. Let me find a CC. And it is like a striped kind of silky fabric. It's sort of sheer, so I'm not going to do a quick try on for you. I probably will post something to my Instagram. Let me look up the fabric content just so you know. This is, I took it in a size 48 and it is, okay, 60% viscose, 30% cotton. Oh yeah, so it's like all, actually it's all unnatural fibers. And so even though it says do not wash, I will probably hand wash this. Sorry guys, that's the bad news, is that I totally hand wash a lot of my Chanel stuff. Not obviously the tweed jackets, but some of these knits, 100% I hand wash them. I just don't, who has time for the freaking dry cleaners or hydrocarbon cleaning? Anyway, this is the first item. It's so cute. This retails for $2,900 and there's a little, the buttons are the best part. It's like, looks like a little piece of candy. It's like gripois with rhinestones and CC in the center. I don't know if you can see. Okay, there you go. So pretty. I love this. And if you can predict, if you can do some investigative work, this was on the runway and it is just one piece from a full look that I bought. So coming soon, hopefully, well, maybe not too soon because it's a big investment to make all at once, but coming soon, the full pink look. Okay, the second ready-to-wear item that I picked up today. Okay, it's in this new style garment bag, cotton, and I like this. So the thing is that I have a lot of the heavier black zipper garment bags that I can use for travel, which is nice. But this one's really nice because you can leave it on in the closet. It's semi-transparent, so you might be able to see what this item is. And it's just like a good way to kind of keep dust and other stuff off of your clothes as they're hanging. So this yellow rainbow cardigan jacket is the next item I picked, and I hope the light's not bleeding it out. Let's get a zoom on the buttons. They're so good. So they're like clear crystal gripois style with the CC at the center. This jacket, it's beautiful boxy style. It has the CC print on the interior. Here you can see the chain. I don't know if you can see the CC silk print. So cute. I sized up in this. This ran really small. It is a boxier style, but it was like, it still ran kind of small in the boutique. I was actually there with some friends and we all got this jacket, which is funny because we're gonna match. And we noticed it all ran small. Okay, so I took this in a size 50 and this was 8,050. But it's just so stunning. Is there a CC on both sides of this? Okay, no, just one side. So that is the second item. So cute. Should I switch jackets? Okay, this might look weird with my t-shirt, but let's give it a try just for fun. Okay. I love, so there's like silver and iridescent accents all throughout. Okay, I see orange, blue, green, pink. It really is rainbow. Ooh, there's like a light pink in there. And so people who are worried about like, oh, I don't think like I can wear yellow, like I don't normally look good in yellows. This isn't really a yellow, like it is yellow, but it's more green, and the way that it interacts with your skin tone is more like if you were wearing a rainbow jacket than if you're wearing like a pure yellow jacket. And it's actually a really nice summer weight tweed. Okay, let me put this in here, and this in here. And as I struggle out of this, which is more of, honestly, like this is a more wool based tweed. Like this is a heavier tweed jacket, which is good because we're in fall right now. And I love the interior of this jacket still. It's stunning. Okay, this jacket is more of a lightweight tweed. I don't know if it's wool. Let me look at the... Yeah, lined in silk, but it's cotton and linen. So it's very lightweight. It's not wool at all. And I know it doesn't really go with my Coco Neige tee, but kind of, because there's like pink in there. But the cut of the collar. Okay. Do we love? Or I could just button it and do like the full vibe. I love it. And it has like the bracelet sleeve. Okay, so cute. All right, so I'm gonna save this one for last. And then next, this is the one item that actually I was not really planning to get before I went into the boutique today. And it is giant. If you saw me post to my stories, I don't really know how I'm gonna do this because the tripod is actually quite close. If you saw me post to my stories, you may have an idea, but I actually didn't post this exact bag at all. Okay. Oh my God. I'm like falling out of my chair. I have to like lean backwards to like make room for this. This is ridiculous. Okay, don't mind tissue. Oh, okay, I just think I just have to pull it out. What am I gonna do with this box, you guys? So this is a semi-impulse buy, but it's an item that they've made before in the past and then haven't had for several years. And my friend has the larger, if you can believe that, version of this. Okay, what's my plan? Hold on. Okay, this down here. Oh my God. Okay, why don't we just, what if we just, oh my gosh, you guys. All right, if it wasn't clear, this is the extra, extra large flap bag. It is a single flap, lightweight, like travel bag. You could fit everything in this. It's huge. Stuffing. Okay. It's black interior, single flap, single zip pocket here. Canvas lined. Champagne gold hardware. Retails for $8,200, which is less than a medium, right? I don't even know how much these classic flaps are anymore. But this is like a travel bag, a work bag. Okay, so the one that I posted on Instagram was hot pink. I can insert a photo. It was super hot pink, like the color of the jacket that I was just wearing. It was so cute, so adorable. But the thing is, that's a tough bag to travel with. So if you think about, please put your bag under the seat in front of you, this is a better option. 2-handle or crossbody, great travel bag. The last time they did these was for the airline collection. There's a slip pocket in the back, or you unzip it and you can put it over the handle of your suitcase. So that's a cute feature. That's a good feature right there. Makes it easy to travel with. And I just thought black was a little bit more under the radar, like a better travel. And I'm like, you know, not really dressed up when I'm traveling. And so this is like better for travel, better for work, a little bit more subtle kind of impulse, but had to do it. So what do you think? Okay. So there's that. Last, but definitely not least, like not least, most, last but first, is we have this bag that I actually ordered. And when I saw it on the runway, I knew. This is actually, okay, so the sweater was pink. I was like, is there no pink items that I got this time? No, they have pink items. Okay. So as you know, in the cruise collection, it's very controversial. There are the star bags. The star bags are like the new version of the heart bag, but it's not really the same. But this is like, I feel like this is an updated take on a star bag. This was the version that I was like, yeah, that's good. And then on top of it being star bag, we'll just see. Let me show you. Can you see? It is the silver metallic square flat bag. What's it called? It's called the Superstar. I think I just dropped the card. Oh God, where did that card go? It dropped back there. So I can't grab it and show it to you, but it is, maybe this bag is called the Walk of Fame, I'm pretty sure. And it retailed for $6,000. It's silver, reflective, mirrored, and it is prone to scratching, so you have to be careful. But it has champagne gold hardware, which is like a really good contrast. It comes with this little star charm, which I wish I had a pair of scissors. Okay, let me see if I can. I don't even know. They like tape these things so aggressively. I think I may need scissors to take it off actually. Unless I can. Hold please. Okay. I might be able to. Okay. So you can remove the star charm. So cute. A little coin purse. Fits a small snack or a stick of gum or some ibuprofen maybe, or your earrings. Like if you go to the gym and you want to take your ring off, you could put it in this little star pouch. Oh my gosh, this tape is so aggressive. They like literally wrap the whole thing and like the strongest packing tape in the world. It's like, ay, ay, ay. I need scissors. This is a job for scissors. Okay, well, we'll come back to this. Anyway, here's the little CC Star. So this is different fabric than the bag. The bag, it's kind of like more patent metallic, and this is metallic lambskin. The way that this zips is pretty fussy, kind of like the actual Star bag. Silver on the inside, because it's like zipping this way, zip that way, zip this way, zip that way. But it's so cute, so cute. Okay, the inside of this bag. So this bag has 2 D-rings on either side. It comes in so many yummy colors. I thought I wanted it in pink, but honestly, okay, so silver with this jacket, hello. And then it's also something, I don't have any bags this color. The inside is full leather, made in France. Okay, there's a slip pocket and a zip pocket at the back. It has the chain, so you can wear it over the shoulder or long or high cross. It is high cross, not so high, but a little. Oh, I didn't button my last button, awkward. It is so stunning. This bag is so stunning, and it kind of like reflects whatever color outfit that you're wearing. It is really, truly a work of art. So anyway, I have some more ready to wear coming. I have one more SLG coming for this collection. I have lots of costume jewelry that I want to buy, but I haven't necessarily ordered. And I really love this collection. I think if you're going to get something metallic, colorful, pink, or honestly, the XXL bag. That's like, okay, so the XXL is like for if you're a Chanel girl, you just need it in your life. You're gonna do it one time or another. You can do it this time around if you didn't get it last time around, or you can wait till next time, but next time might be a while. So that's like for all Chanel girls everywhere. But for someone who really loves this collection, like go bold. There's so many beautiful sequin and iridescent and pink and the mini, I finally got this thing off. The mini trendy is so cute. There are just so many good things, so many good colors. Like my friend was like, well, what all did they have? And I was like, I don't know. I blacked out. It was too much. I couldn't take it. Okay, cute. So how cute is that? But you can also put it on a bag. Like you could put this on, and it might actually look funny on the XXL because it's so big. But this does fit a phone. It comes in 3 sizes. This is the smaller size, then there's a rectangle, and then there's a big rectangle. So cute. Anyway, I'm just babbling on. I had so much fun. My boutique is so much fun, and I'm making friends with some people that are shopping there, which is so much fun too. And I just had the best time, and I'm really excited for this collection to launch, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna try and get this video up as soon as possible to just share as soon as possible, because I know people are so excited, and so am I. Anyway, let me know what you're getting from this collection down below. I'd love to hear it. And otherwise, I hope you all are having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.